Weight Watchers 5 Tips to Lose Weight Swimming. 1. Start slow and gradually build up your swimming endurance. 2. Incorporate different strokes and intensities to challenge your body. 3. Use swimming as a low-impact alternative to traditional cardio. 4. Pair swimming with a healthy diet to optimize weight loss. 5. Consider joining a swim class or finding a swim buddy for added motivation and accountability. Take your health to the next level with the best premium supplements. Boost your immune system, improve your energy, and enhance your overall well-being. Try them now and feel the difference. Check my bio or description or comment for a link to the best premium supplements.